Hello everyone, this is Signature by Lyka. So this workshop nag-started last year, November 10, 2018. So nag-start po talaga ako for a cause. Ginagawa ko po talaga ito, hindi lang po ito para sa sarili ko, kundi para po makatulong ako sa ibang tao. And I'm very happy po na this year we conducted 6 batches of workshop. So, sobrang overwhelmed and grateful po ako sa lahat po ng mga estudyante ko, participants na nag-join sa aking workshop at nagtiwala na ako po ang magturo sa kanila. Hello, thank you so much to all my students and participants na nag-join sa aking workshop. Hopefully, next year at sa mga susunod pa pong workshop, makasama na din po kayo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are now having our very own makeup artist, no other than Miss Lyka. She started doing makeup as a hobby at a very young age of 19. Yes, it is only a 19 years old. That's my daughter, the one and only. Since then, she has been successfully conducted 6 batches of workshops and counting. In 5 years, may be too short if being compared to the biggest names in the workshop makeup industry, and yet her passion, dedication, and hard work, together with her love and care for the clients, have been her strong foundation and her chosen career.
I thought I already know a lot of things about makeup because I personally use it. I use it to my friends. But when I attended this workshop, I learned so many things na akala ko mapapanood lang sa mga vlogs sa YouTube. But I was wrong. So I encourage everyone to join Signature by Lyka workshops.
Personally, sobrang dami ko natutunan, especially choosing foundation, right foundation. Kasi kala natin, basta-basta lang yung pag-choose ng foundation or apply ng makeup. But for this, with regards to this seminar or makeup tutorial, ang dami naming natutunan, lalo, especially for me, personally.
Bata pa lang po, 16 years old pa lang po ako, and first time ko po makasali po sa mga ganitong seminar po and tutorials, makeup. Gusto ko po talaga maging isang sikat po na makeup artist, and gusto ko po mag-makeup sa mga international po, at sobrang dami ko pong natutunan, lalo na po sa pagkikilay, sa mga tama pong pagkikilay, depende po sa shape and sa kulay po, paano po ng tamang kulay.